Today we'll be doing a basic tire removal and installation. We start by removing the valve stem core from the tire and allowing the tire to deflate. After that, we will break the bead of the tire from the wheel, careful not to crush the wheel with the pneumatic arm by placing it there against the tire and not the wheel. Do this to all four sides. After that, we will peel the tire away from the wheel using a metal pry bar. The machine easily turns the tire off of the wheel. Now the tire is off, the next step is to install the new tire. Start by lubing the tire up, lube up both sides. Little push. And we'll use the arm to help us put the tire back onto the wheel. A little push down with my arm. Follow it around. And finally, we will add air to the tire.